Hello and welcome to presono. In this video, we will show you how to present in presono. Start your presentation by clicking on the Start button. Use the left and right arrow keys to navigate back and forth. By clicking on linked areas on a slide, you can either access additional information that will show up in an overlay, or you can use it to navigate to further slides and presentations. Open the Enter menu by pressing Return on your keyboard. Now you can insert additional content from presono, change the language, or end the presentation immediately. After your presentation, you will be automatically forwarded to the session. The session is an exact record of the presentation just given. This means that all content that you have inserted during the presentation is also included. Now it's time to start with your own presentations. Have fun presenting!